Okay, ladies and gents, so let's simplify the following expression fully. So now, once you are given an expression like this, remember here you're given two brackets that are multiplying each other. So this is a first bracket and the second bracket, they are multiplying each other. And they say simplify. Very, very simple. What you do, you take this x, you multiply by the other x squared in the other bracket. Now, of course, you'll get x to the power 3. That's the first step. And then the second step, you take the very same x, you multiply the next term in the other bracket. So x multiplied by negative 3x is going to be negative 3x squared. You do the very same thing. Take this x and multiply by the positive 9 at the end there, which is the last term. Of course, you're going to get positive 9x. So now, you are basically done with the x. You've multiplied the x, this x, throughout the other bracket. Now you continue, you go to the next term. The next term is 3. You're gonna take this 3, multiply by x squared. Of course, you're going to get positive 3x squared. You do the very same thing. Take this 3, multiply by negative 3x. You're going to get negative 9x. Do the very same thing. 3 multiplied by positive 9. Of course, you are going to get positive 27. Now, this is the tricky part. I just want people to understand this part. Now, after you reach this part, you have been simplified fully. You need to group the like terms now. But now, let's look at the like terms. Let's check for the like terms. So, in this case, x to the power 3 or x to the power cube does not have a like term, which means it stays as it is. Now let's look at this one. Negative 3x squared and positive 3x squared are like terms. So if they are like terms, they will join together or they will add up. Now let's look at another one. And then we know that there's a positive 9x and a negative 9x. They are like terms. And of course, this positive 27 goes alone. Now let's group let's simplify the like terms. Now remember, this x to the power 3, it remains as it is. Then what you say negative 3x squared plus 3x squared, because those two things, this one and this one, are like terms. Let's just indicate them. This one and this one are like terms. So you say negative 3x squared plus 3x squared. So you are going to get 0. So those two will just cancel out. So let's just cancel out these two. So these two will cancel out. Then we proceed on the other term. And then here we've got positive 9x and the negative 9x. Same situation. They are the same terms, opposite signs. Positive 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. So in that case, you're going to cancel this one, cancel that one. And what are you left with? We are only left with a positive 27, which does not have a like term, and which we are going to explain what is a like term in the other video. So remember, once it does not have a like term, which means you put it as it. So my solution is going to be positive what? Positive 20, positive 27. So this is actually my answer. I've actually simplified the following expression fully, applying the FOIL method and distributing the terms in the other brackets. Thank you very much.